Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I am going to go over Ethereum with you guys today to try to suss this one out. Ethereum's down there in that area, still playing around and making some indecision in there, is what you can tell. So is this the end of it? Right there. Very, very difficult to suss this out right here, guys. What's potentially going on? Just indecision right in there. It's kind of the same thing with the other assets, kind of could be. It's like, oh yeah, I'm done here, but nobody's really interested in me because they don't know if I'm going to go up or if I'm going to go down. So my gut's telling me I think Ethereum eventually is going to make its way up, guys. So let's go over the overall picture. Ethereum weekly chart. Take a look at that on this parallel channel, and you can see that right down here in this RSI for Ethereum. Take a look. It looks good. Down here, wave run, correcting it onto there. So it actually, now that I'm looking at that, it's touching that parallel, that channel, isn't it? So here's what I'm looking at. It's touching the channel on that section right there, and then I'm looking at the other channel, and on the other channel, what I'm waiting for is Ethereum to bust the middle part of the channel and maybe get over right there. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for Ethereum, guys. It actually it doesn't look too bad, in my opinion, as far as doing a wave run and doing a correction. It's still in a bullish sequence. Ethereum needs to get down here, really needs to get down there, guys, before you start going bearish with Ethereum. FYI. Also, too, Ethereum has a cheat sheet, too. Ethereum has a cheat sheet, too. It's called this. Ethereum, Grayscale Ethereum Trust. There's another cheat sheet for Ethereum. I know there's some people out there claiming Ethereum's going to just be dropping back down to $600. $600. It just is going to go up. So if you take a look at this one, and it did its correction in this weekly chart. Look at this. So it went up into its wave, doing a diagonal or a rising wedge, which was expected to break that. And it came down here. Took everything out, more or less. Over here was, you can't count that because it's the beginning. Hard to suss that out. So more than likely, it was finished with the corrections back up, and now it's over here. I'll show you why I'm bullish on Ethereum in that area. I'm going to go to a 12-hour chart. I'll show you real quick. So now Ethereum, Grayscale Ethereum went up onto a nice wave. You can suss that out, and it did a correction, and now it's doing a ABC, in my opinion. If you take a look at this on this wave in the RSI, let me pull that open a little bit for you guys. Look at this nice three-way move that this Grayscale Ethereum Trust did. You see that? Came all the way back down here, and it's just slowing up into a fifth wave area right down there. It came over, gave itself some nice hidden bullish divergence. So RSI is way down there. So that's a good signal. That's a good signal, actually. Take a closer look at that. I'm going to show you why I'm bullish on Ethereum is that it's coming back down, in my opinion, in this this wave. Here's A wave up for a B, and it's coming down into a C. It's a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the ending diagonal. And they all need to be zigzags. And I'll show you. Did it end there? It could have. It might have a little bit more to go. And I'll show you guys right here. Here's the beginning of the fourth wave. 1. They need to be zigzags. In an ending diagonal like so, they have to be zigzags. They cannot be impulse waves. Okay? It's another clue. It's telling you it's an ending diagonal. It's messy. It's actually not messy. It's actually pretty clean. This is a clean chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maybe one more. Boom. It'll be done. But it could be done there because all it needs to do, sometimes they won't stop short, but all it needs to do, and I'll move this out of the way for you, all these out of the way. All that one needs to do is break this one right there like that. Okay? Let me put those back and show you. Let me look at the 45-minute chart to see if the divergence lines up with this. Okay, back up. Here's your that wave. Came down. Boom. Here you see an RSI. That's the massive wave 2, and wave In this situation, wave 4 needs to be smaller than wave 2. How they go? Wave 1 is longer than wave 3, and wave 3 is longer than wave 5. So this 5th wave cannot be any longer than this wave. Okay, so the maximum I think is right around there at 877. I think 867 or something like that. So it could be, it's either done or it's got one more just boom, going like that. And then you can see here the 3rd. There you go. It swept down to the 3rd, back up onto the 4th, and it could be done right there. So you have the 3rd to the 5th. You have your divergence right here, your bullish divergence, I should say, just like so. It's on a 45-minute chart. You want to be careful of 45-minute charts, checking your divergences, you know, because you go to higher time frame charts and then you'll see the divergences erased. So all that it needed to do was break that. It could be done. So what's that saying about Ethereum? Ethereum could have been done. It could have. Could have. Let me go to a 4-hour chart. It could have been done. It could have been done right there. And then this is just making some sort of goofy wave that you really won't know what it is until Ethereum sussed itself out. But I really want to see Ethereum get up over there and on top of this right here. You can see where it touched it of this channel. Okay, it's following this channel pretty good down here, back here. That's an throw under, back up, touched it, and came back down, and we'll see it go over that. So otherwise, for the most part, I'm bullish on Ethereum because of this. This asset's getting ready to Ethereum Grayscale. Go back out to a daily chart. I'll show you. Ethereum Grayscale is getting ready to do to go more than likely bullish again. You just get a retrace on this leg to see what it would be. You know, right in that area of 618 on logarithmic. Take it off log. And look at that. Look at that. Did it hit 786? It may have. No, it didn't. It came right close to it though. So yeah, it could sweep down a little bit more, guys. And that'll probably be the end of the correction for this asset, and that means that'll be the end of the correction for Ethereum. All right, guys, that's the end of my video. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.